Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to unbox this. So this is the Ford Mustang Boss. Yeah, Ford Mustang Boss. And this is by Majorette and bought this for 199 in a local store. Because I know a lot of people will be asking where I bought this. I bought this in a local store. And so this casting is new for this year, at least in India. I don't know about other countries, but in India, this one and the one which we unboxed yesterday, the Ford Focus, both are actually new castings for India this year. And okay, out of the box, the casting looks really well made. I mean, it's very solid. It feels really heavy, and a little bit of paint issue here. But being the black color always has some kind of issues. But apart from that, let me see. Okay, it has tail light details here, which is really nice. And again, keep this in mind. This costed only 199. Okay, I don't see any other paint issues here. So here is the beautiful thing. You can see the acrylic inserts here for the headlights. You can see the logo placement here, which is really nice. It has a rear view mirror as well, and it has chassis detailing as well, and it has exhaust detailing as well. So this is what I expect actually from Hot Wheels. But so the person who asked me why you whine about everything, now you know, right? At least now try to understand this. I'm paying 199. They are giving something which I actually you know uh, expecting, or at least worth my money. So Hot Wheels is not doing that, or Mattel is not doing that. So the only thing which I don't like about this casting is, so the rims here. So people who can customize, they can actually change it. It does have suspension. That's the reason the car looks a little bit uplifted. You can see the suspension here. So it is really nice if you ask me. So the casting is actually solid. Let's see how much this actually weighs. Okay. Okay, 45 grams. That's absolutely nice. I was expecting around 45, sorry, 40. It came around 45. It's really nice. Let's do a roll test. Okay, it has wheel wobble. Let's do one more time. Okay, it has wheel wobble on both wheels. The front wheel is wobbling a lot. So it pitches, the car pitches a little bit because of that. But it rolls really well. I mean, it does reach end of the track. So overall, it's a very solid casting with really nice detailing to it. And if you guys are able to get this casting in your in your area, please go ahead and do so, because again, this is really nice one. So that's it for today, guys. If you like my video, hit the thumbs up button. If you love my video, subscribe. And as always, thanks for watching this video. Have a great day. Goodbye.